Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing a Khan Academy exercise tutorial for complementary and supplementary angles. This is a pretty basic Khan Academy exercise that just introduces the concept of complementary and supplementary angles. So let's just dive right into it. What is the measure of angle X? Angles are not necessarily drawn to scale. Okay, a couple things you need to note here. One, we're given that we have an angle X, this is the missing angle, that's what it's asking for. But we also see that it's drawn in here that we have this angle right here, and this little square means that it's 90 degrees. 90 degrees is the same thing as a right angle. Okay, so that's a right angle. Perpendicular is another way to describe that. And then we have this line cutting in between called Y, or at least the end point is called Y. And then we're told that this is, I'm going to write it again, 32 degrees. Okay, so now we just need to figure out what is angle X. Well, we need to set up a relationship here. And since we know that the big angle, the right angle here, is 90 degrees, so we know that 90 degrees is the biggest angle. And there's two smaller angles in between. What do I mean by that? Well, there's this angle here, and then let's draw this green angle here. And if we add these two angles together, so we add this red angle to the green angle, it will give us the big angle that we already drew, and we already know that it's 90. So the green angle, so I'll write that this angle right here, the teal, is equal to the red angle, we'll call that angle 1, plus, what's the other angle called? We'll call that angle X. Angle X. And I actually could just put an X there instead of writing angle X. I kind of wrote angle with those other ones, but you get what I mean. We have these two different angles, and they add up to give us 90 degrees. This is called complementary. Complementary. That's when two angles add up to give you 90 degrees. So we have angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 90 degrees. Okay, so now let's just fill in our values. So we know that that teal angle is 90. It needs to equal the first angle, which is 32, plus our variable x. So we try to get x alone. We're going to subtract 32 from both sides. Upon doing so, we should get 58 degrees equals angle X. So let's go ahead and type in 58. X equals 58. Check it. Good. All right, on to the next one. A little bit different scenario now. Instead of having a right angle, you'll see that we have what's also known as a straight angle. This is a straight line. A straight line has 180 degrees in it. Okay, so that's 180. Now you'll see that there is a second line drawn in to break up the 180 degrees, and this is called supplementary angles. So supplementary angles is when you have, angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180. Two angles combined give you a greater angle of 180 degrees or a straight angle. So let's identify our variable. We have x here, and then we have 128. I'll put that in green. And we know that 128 plus this unknown value x needs to equal our known value of 180. So we're ready to set up our relationship. 128 degrees plus this missing angle equals 180. How do we figure out what x is? We can subtract 128 from both sides. Okay, and upon doing so, we are going to get 52. So we get 52 equals x, and that's 52 degrees. 52 plus 128 gives us 180. On to the next problem. Hopefully you can take a look at this and recognize what type of situation we have. Is this complementary or is this supplementary? I hope you said complementary, and the giveaway here is this right angle, 90 degrees. Sorry for that not exactly straight line. But we have angle X here, and then this known angle 76, and it needs to add up to give you 90, and the giveaway that it's 90 is that little square there. That means it's 90. So we have 90 equals 76 plus x. We just need to subtract x from 76 from both sides. 76 minus 76, and we should get 14 equals x. 14 degrees equals x, and that's our answer. Okay, so really all we're doing is we're just subtracting the unknown from our known angle based on whether it's complementary or supplementary. So now we have 156 and x, and obviously here it's not 90 degrees, there's no square, it is definitely a straight angle. That means 180 degrees. So we have this teal angle, 156, plus the blue angle, x, and that's going to give us the whole big angle, this guy. Okay, so 180 equals 156 plus x. We subtract 156 from both sides to get the x by itself, 156, sorry about the screw up. And we get x equals, let's see, that's 24, I think. 24 degrees. 156 plus 24 equals 180, so we have x equals 24. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Hopefully you guys have the same success I just did, and if you follow along, I know you will. Until next time, be good, be kind, be true, be nice, and be honest. See you then.